wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never
Hey guys, today I'm gonna explain how you can program a game show named Who Wants to Be a Millionaire by using C++. It is an international television game show originated from United Kingdom, starting from 1998 until today. Meanwhile, in Malaysia, it started to broadcast since year 2000 until year 2002, hosted by Jalaluddin Hassan. So, to write this game show in C++, first we need to insert include IOStream. IOStream stands for Input and Output Stream, which enable us to simplify the code of the program. After that, insert using namespace std. Since namespace std contains all the classes, objects and functions of the C++ standard library, and therefore it is also simplifying the code of the program. After including IOStream and namespace std, then a series of user-defined functions are also inserted to further simplify the code of this program. The first user-defined function is void questions. It is a function that contains 15 questions of this game. The next function will be int rule. It is a function to explain the rule of this game. The third one will be void on. It is a function for a user to choose either to continue the game or to take the current amount of money when a question is answered correctly. And the fourth one will be void end. It is a function to end the game when a player answered the question wrongly. The fifth one will be void millionaire. It is a function to display the total amount of money won by a player when all the 15 questions is answered correctly. The last function will be void welcome. It is a function to display welcoming word when a player decided to start the game. Another variable, which is intm, will be inserted to the program. It is an integer showing the money accumulated when a question is answered correctly, and it is a global value, which means it can read in every function below it. Now let's proceed to the int main. In the int main, int option is inserted so that user can insert an option of 1, 2 and 3 while the program is executed. The next one will be rule function. It will explain the rule of the game, and then it will directly return to the main function, whereby user is asked to choose again the option of 1, 2, 3. The main function of this void welcome is to display the word Selamat Datang, which is to welcome players when they have decided to play this game. In void question, first int choice is inserted so that user can input the choice of answer. Then the welcome function will be displayed. After that, a looping will be used to run the code in this function. By using looping, if the question is answered correctly, then we will jump to go on function. Meanwhile, in Go On function, user is given a choice to choose either to continue the game or to take whatever amount of money they have won and leave the game. So char pilihan is inserted for user to choose. If they choose to leave the game, then the current amount of money they've won will be displayed and the program will exit. And if they choose to continue, it will jump back to void question, and the looping in the function will continue until the point that the player answered one question wrongly. Then it will jump to void, and in this function, it will display jawapan Anda salah and ganjaran Anda sekarang RM kosong. After that, the program will exit if any key is pressed. When all of the 15 questions is answered correctly, it will jump from the functions of questions to Millionaire. In the Millionaire function, ganjaran Anda sekarang adalah sejuta. Tanya, Anda telah menjadi jutawan. Will be displayed and the program will be exit soon after that. Okay, now I will run the program. As you can see, you'll be seeing selamat datang ke permainan siapa yang ingin menjadi jutawan on the interface. Then you are given 3 options. First, mula. The second one will be peraturan permainan, and third one is keluar. You are free to choose any of these 3 options. Now I will be choosing option number 2 so that I can read the rules of this game. Okay. Then after choosing number 2, I can see the rules and the 3 options is given again. If you want to leave the game, then you have to choose number 3 to exit the game. But I will be continuing the game, so I will be choosing number 1. After choosing option number 1, I can see selamat datang, and the first question in this game is shown. Now I will start to attempt the first question. Kita harus minum berapa gelas air dalam sehari? I think the answer will be 8 glass of water a day, and I will choose 2. After answering the first question correctly, I'll be seeing how much money I've won, which is 100 ringgit for now. And then I'll be given 2 options, which is either to take the money to leave the game or to continue the game. I'll be choosing to continue the game, which I have to type T. After that, second question will appear. Siapakah pengasas Facebook? The answer is obviously the second one, which is Mark Zuckerberg. But then I want to try to input a wrong answer. Now I'll try input number 1. Now we will be seeing jawapan Anda salah. Ganjaran Anda sekarang adalah RM0. Let's just say now I want to stop playing the game. Then I'll need to type G to leave the game. Then you'll be seeing Tanya, ganjaran Anda adalah sebanyak RM100.
From smiling, if we're drinking, then I'm buying, and I know there's no denying. It's a beautiful day, the sun is up, the music's playing, and even if it started raining, you won't hear this boy complaining, 'cause I'm glad that you're the one who got away. It's a beautiful day. It's my turn to fly, so girls get in line, 'cause I'm easy, no playing this guy